My name's Hugh Jones. I'm the head coach of EGH Duracan. EGH started in 1975, I believe, in the grounds of the East Glamorgan Hospital, hence EGH. I took it over 7 years ago, I believe, and from then we've gone strength to strength. But we were always looking for a home, so to speak. We were always a bit of nomads, going from one venue to the other, and it wasn't until last year that I managed to secure the lease to this building, and we finally got our own home, nobody telling us what to do, and we just do judo all day, every day, so it's great. 3 months ago we managed to change the classroom, which wasn't really being used, into a relaxing lounge for the parents. So they got a little bit more comfort when they're watching the children. They can look down onto the dojo mat area with a nice cup of coffee and tea area and just watch it in more comfort than they did rather on the side on the hard seats. Since I took over the club, I've nurtured 4 coaches through from their novice grade right up to black belt, and to get the coaching qualifications, and they still at the club now.
I came here when I was about 10, 11 after my original club closed down. When I came here I went up the grades quite quickly. It was just from being at the club, obviously getting older, seeing younger kids, just pointing out what they could improve on, and from there it was just doing the level 1 coaching course and then level 2. So it's good to see players progress, improve and have fun. We currently run 3 classes, an under 8 class, which is on a Monday and a Thursday from 5:30 to 6:30. Then we go straight into the over 8 class, which is from 6:30 to 7:30 every Monday and Thursday. We then have an adults class straight after that from 7:30 to 9 p.m. Every Monday and Thursday. We're always looking for new members. We welcome new members with open arms. Come and give it a go. It's a brilliant sport.